Looking for flooring that blends design, sustainability, and strength? Richmond Carpet Tile's newest collections are designed and made in Canada and are rated for heavy commercial use. Hi everyone, I'm Amy Bonifant, Product Manager at Shnier, and I'm excited to introduce 4 stunning new additions to our Richmond Carpet Tile portfolio: Drizzle, Andra, Fernline, and Stillview, all designed and proudly made in Canada. These high-styled, heavy commercial carpet tiles deliver the perfect blend of design, durability, and sustainability, and are engineered for today's most demanding spaces. Crafted with 100% ECONYL recycled nylon fiber, these tiles are 100% solution dyed for superior color fastness, stain resistance, and performance. Each product features the phthalate-free PermaFuse fiberglass reinforced backing, ensuring long-term dimensional stability and strength, and guaranteed not to delaminate. The 4 collections are inspired by biophilic design, and each one tells its own story. Drizzle, bold and dynamic, inspired by rainfall. Andra, serene and balanced, bringing quiet sophistication. Fernline, organic and grounded, with rich, nature-inspired tones. And Stillview, fluid and reflective, evoking the calm movement of water. Stylish, sustainable, and Canadian-made, these new Richmond modular carpet tile collections are where performance meets design. For more information on these exciting new products, please visit richmondflooring.ca or division9.ca.